Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Our channel is all about teaching you how to do things yourself to save money. We also do tool reviews, which will help you determine if a tool is right for you before you purchase it. That also saves you money, and that's what our channel is all about. So if you're interested in saving money, subscribe to our channel. Now today we're doing a tool review on this Defiant 2-pack of flashlights. The thing I like about these flashlights is they have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery in them that can also be used as a battery pack. So you can use this flashlight to recharge your other devices like your cell phone and iPads and things of that nature. So I really like that. It comes with 130 lumen LED light, which is reasonably bright. And like I think I said, the 4,000 milliamp hour battery is built in, comes with the charging cables, and the light has 3 modes. It's low, high, strobe, and then of course off. So today we're going to take these out of the package, we're going to charge them up, and we're going to see how they work. Okay, let's open this thing up and get the flashlight / battery packs out of here. There's one of them. There's the second one. And now for the cables. And yeah, I could probably get these out of here a little quicker, but I always try not to tear up the packaging, at least until I'm happy with what I bought. So there's our 2 cables. Got a little bit of an instruction manual. I always recommend people at least look over and spend some time with the instruction manual. These days it seems like most of what you get is warning information. Things like don't swallow batteries and stupid things like that. But still, I do recommend that you look over them. And I will do that a little bit later. Need to get these things started charging. Does come with 2 charging cables, which is nice. I put a picture of this up in the corner, but you got a jack for charging. You got one for the battery pack part. So let's plug that one in there. Let's get this one going as well. Alright, that should have them charging. They do have LEDs at the bottom that indicate charge and how much it is charged. So we'll be reading the instructions here in a little bit so we can explain that to you a little bit better. But anyway, at this point they are charging. We're going to give them a little bit of time to charge up and we'll be back to do some demonstrations. Now at this point I've got both of these flashlights out. I got them charging and I've been reading over the instruction manual. And if you can see the bottom of that, the little blue LED that's blinking, that indicates that it is charging. Supposedly that will stay on solid blue when it's fully charged. So anyway, I want to read you some of the warning things here. Some of them are just good points to be cautious about. Other ones are kind of stupid. Sorry, but they are. The first one is never place the flashlight face down when it's on or lights. The LEDs do get warm, sometimes they get hot. Never set it up straight like that if it's on or if the LEDs are hot from being used. It says it could cause some heat damage. Number 2 says always unplug the USB cable from the power source when not in use. I would assume they mean after you're finished charging it. I mean, if you're actually charging it, like right now, they're not in use, but they need to be plugged in because they're charging. That's kind of self-explanatory, not a big deal. It says to prevent serious damage to eyesight. Never look into the light or shine it into someone else's face. Anytime you have LED lights, you should never look into that LED light because it's a very sharp, harsh light. It's really hard on your eyes. It doesn't matter if these devices or some other device. If it's an LED bulb, don't look directly into it. That's just good common sense. It says do not touch the lens of a flashlight when the light is on or recently on, because here again they can get hot. Let's see, do not place the flashlight in water. Keep it dry. Apparently it's not waterproof. I love number 6. Do not allow children to handle or operate this flashlight. Really? Children, they love flashlights. They're going to play with it. Okay. One or two here that doesn't really matter. Let's see. Now here's one I really like. Number 10. Do not attempt to charge or operate this flashlight if USB, battery, bulb, or any part of the flashlight is damaged or corroded. That's not the one I was thinking it was, but that's just good common sense. Here's the one I was thinking about. It says only use charging devices that are provided with the LED flashlight or its replacements. It didn't come with a charging device, and nowhere on this paperwork does it say one word about the replacement charging device. It says only use the charging devices that are provided with the LED flashlight or its replacements. And it doesn't provide it, and it doesn't tell you what the replacements are. I mean, really? And then you got things like do not disassemble it and do not put it in fire, things like that. That's just normal stuff. Most of the rest of this stuff is just normal stuff. The backside is foreign language that I can't read. Talks about the LEDs, how you charge things. Most people, if you've got a cell phone, you know how to use these little battery packs. You got one jack for charging the battery pack flashlight, and you got another jack that's an output if you want to charge your cell phone. I've also, I got a GoPro camera. I could charge the batteries from my GoPro camera from this. That's pretty cool to know. So anyway, there they are. They're still charging up. I'm going to let them go a little bit more before we try them out. But that's a little bit of the warning messages and things that you should be aware of if you do purchase these. At this point, it's been a couple hours, and one of my flashlights / battery packs is fully charged. You can see that by the fact that all the LEDs are on. None of them are blinking. The other one is still charging just a little bit. So apparently they don't charge really fast. But that's not necessarily a negative. It's just the way it is. I'm going to take the one that says it's fully charged. I'm going to unplug it. And I've only got one button right here. And you mash that, it turns the light on, fully bright. Does seem to be a nice bright light. If you press it one more time, it goes to half intensity. And if you press it again, it goes to a strobe light. Now I'm going to turn that off because I really don't like strobe lights. But that's the way it works. And like I said earlier, it's got the jack on the back where you can plug in your other devices that charge from a USB port. And I really like the fact that it's dual purpose kind of thing. I bought silver ones when I purchased these in the store, one of the big box stores. They also had black ones. You could either get black or silver. I got the silver ones. But there is, the aluminum case, and there's 2 different colors you can get. So anyway, I'd have to say I like this thing. I like the fact that it's dual purpose. So I think it's a good value, and I do recommend them. So that's my review for this Defiant flashlight / battery pack. If you like my videos, I'd really appreciate it if you click like and share them with your friends. And again, we, pardon me, the whole point of our channel is to help you learn to save money. So if you're interested in saving money, subscribe to our channel. Pardon me. And we'll help you save money. Sometimes we do it by showing you how to repair things. Sometimes we do tool reviews to help you understand if you want to buy a tool or not. And all our tool reviews are not positive. We do have a few that we did not recommend that we reviewed. But our point of our tool reviews is to show you the features and how things work so you can decide if it's right for you or not. So at this point, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.